Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Happy Galentine's Day. I am on my way to a really fun event here in Birmingham and it's with my hotel, and of course like I said it's Galentine's Day, so we're gonna be having a sleepover. I have got my PJs on, ready to go, courtesy of Amazon. I just tried them on today because I just got them. And they're pretty cute. They're pretty cute. I'm not like in love with them, but I mean they're okay, especially for, you know, something you go on Amazon, which is usually pretty cheap. And but I like it. They're pink, and I feel like I'm in pillow talk or something fun. And you know that it has to be pretty good. The event's be fun to get me out of the house because the dinner episode is currently on The Office. And if you're a fan like I am, you know this is like the best episode. But we will not be staying in bed tonight. My husband has some friends over playing poker, and I'm going to celebrate Galentine's, not Valentine's, I'm thinking Galentine's with my girls tonight. I'm also rocking my shoes, my slippers. I like to call them my Cam Newton shoes. I love Cam Newton. Where you go? Anyways, the event's supposed to be really fun. I think we're gonna do some hair. There's like a pullover booth, makeup, several drinks that I'm excited to try. I'm feeling a little under the weather, so I might not get the ones that have all the alcohol in them. Might tone it down just a little bit. But I'm very excited to go to the beautiful Red Mine Hotel and see what the lovely ladies of AMD have got for us. Yay! So how perfect is this little clutch that I totally forgot during my own wedding, but I thought this is very Valentine's Day appropriate. So I'm going to carry this with me, looking kind of stylish, or at least I hope I'm looking stylish. And I'm fixing to have a friend. Thank you, Anne, for picking me up. And we're about to head on our way. So I'll see you at the event. Yay! What drink did you get?
This one is really delicious.
Yes. I got one named after Mean Girls. You got one named after Sex and the City.
That's good. I like that. I like that.
That's so really relaxing.
Yeah, and it smells good too. I feel like my face still smells good.
The one time I'll be on camera without any makeup on.
Enjoy it, everyone.
Enjoy it. It's coming back on right after this.
So Precious, what are you doing?
I am adding a little bit of shimmer, more like glitter,
Yeah.
to our eyes.
All about glitter.
These are the Stilla, they're like glitter.
I think I have that
glow
same
eyeshadows.
exact one at home.
Yeah.
I love them.
They work perfectly. I like them because they dry quick too. So you don't have to worry
It's
about
very
the glitter.
euphoria. You on trend with the teenagers.
There you go.
That's what I want.
Yeah, I'm all about euphoria looks. Very pretty.
I'm ready for a cheerleading competition.
Oh yeah. Okay, so Precious, if anybody wants to follow you on social media, what is your social media?
My social media is P Sanders Makeup on Instagram and Twitter. Precious Sanders Makeup on Facebook.
All right. You should know where this is. Yeah. And as you can see, I got my space buns. I feel like I am very Spice Girls right now. No glitter because I have to go work out in the morning. I don't want to fall like everywhere, but it's still so cute. And check it out. So the event was so much fun. I'm so glad that I got to spend Galentine's with some of my favorite girls. And it was just a really great time. As you can tell, I did end up getting sparkles. So, I mean, I'll be working out with sparkles in the morning. But definitely come check out the beautiful red knot. All the brands and stuff that I showed, especially Blow, that's who did my hair. It was great. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Happy Galentine's Day.